By the end of this video, you will create something like this. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do right now here is to select our layer, then go for the lasso tool, click on select and mask. Okay, from here click on object aware, and then what you're going to do is select object, click on select object, okay, to remove the background for you. So this one is going to select the object. Okay, then you refine the edges. Okay, some can also choose to make the selection before they will do they will come here and mask it. Okay, so from here I'll click on refine hair, so you're going to see something like this. So after that, check decontaminate colors and then reduce this decontamination. Okay, so let's set it to 70. Okay, then when you are done, okay, just make sure you select 70. When you are done, click on new layer with mask. Okay, and press OK. So this is going to remove the background of the image and make a nice selection of the hair as well. So you can see we have a nice hair cutout. Thank you for staying with me. My name is Felix. Please see you in my next video. Bye bye.